Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your phone as a webcam on your PC. All right, so let's begin. So first of all, we'll need to go and get an application. So we'll go and open up our web browser, and you need to go search for Irion Webcam. So type it in, Irion Webcam, just like so, and then go to irion.com. You can then click on Webcam for Windows, and it will go download. After you've downloaded it, open up your File Explorer and come to your downloads. And here it is. Then go double-click on it like this. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which I can't go and record. It just blocks. And you need to go and agree to the agreement, which I already do. I've read it. And then we can just go and install it. Click Install and it will go Start. Doesn't take long at all. Then you can go and select Start Irion Webcam Server. If you don't worry. You can just go and click on the shortcut on your desktop or search your computer for it. Now we need to come onto our phone. On your phone, open up the App Store like so, and you need to go and search for Irion Webcam. Then what you can do is go and click on the download button like this. Once it's finished, you can go and open it up. You'll go and get a pop-up saying, Irion Webcam would like to find and connect to devices on your network. That's super important. You need to press Allow. You'll need to allow access to the camera and the microphone as well, as there we go. As you can see, it's now appearing on my computer. If it doesn't go and work, then this is probably because you aren't on the same network, so make sure you are. We're now using our phone as a webcam, so that's basically how you can use your phone as a webcam on your PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.